let me just explain to you what's going to happen now, because this is kind of cool. So the thing about washing cars is that preferably it's okay that there's no hot sun, but it just rained. So guys, would you wash the car when it just rained, or would you just forget it? I think I'm gonna give it a go. And while I do that, let me just tell you the story about what we're gonna do today. So I mentioned that we're going to do something special today, and there is this guy, there's this kid. There is this kid in our village that has a friend, and his friend actually reached out to me a couple of weeks back asking whether I could give his friend a ride in my Skyline. And that is so awesome, having friends that, you know, want to do stuff like that for you. So of course I said yes. And since it is our village, our, you know, this is where we live, and really want to help people out, especially when they're your neighbor. So of course I said yes. So today we are gonna give a random stranger a ride in the Skyline. And this is what I meant about making a difference, because one thing is that most of us have seen these cars, you know, either on the street or on car shows or on the TV, but very few actually get an opportunity to have a ride in it and enjoy the car. And this is what we are going to do today. We're going to actually let someone else have a ride. And part of the reason why I do that is when I was a kid, I wish someone, you know, would give me the opportunity to get a ride in some of the cars that I dreamt about when I was a kid. So it's kind of passing it forward. So guys, we just had to start the car because there was water coming through the bonnet, because it's a vented bonnet. And when the car is running, it's a lot easier to keep it running and to make sure that, you know, the engine is hot so the water doesn't get into the coils. So we're back in the workshop. It was nice giving that kid a ride. He really enjoyed it. You could see that on the video, and there was a lot of people, a lot of attention around the car. I think we made a difference today. That's actually the most important part. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the story about the Skyline. Let us know in the comments if this is something that we should do with some of our other cars, because every car has a story. Apart from that, nice seeing you again, nice doing this video for you. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We release videos weekly. There is always something cool to see. So remember to support us that way, and hope to see you on the next video. Bye.